Good morning everybody. Today we are going to discuss a new heterocyclic compound called as an quinoline. In quinoline, the pyridine ring are fused with another benzene ring. The systemic name of quinoline is benzoazine because in that benzene ring are fused with an pyridine. That's why benzo. We are using a prefix such as a benzo for benzene. And here the nitrogen atom are present as a heteroatom. That's why we are using aza as a prefix, and it is a 6-member ring. For that's why we are using a ine as a suffix. Particularly the systemic name are given by the combining prefix with and suffix. That's why the systemic name of quinoline is also called as an benzoazine. In some cases it is also called as an benzopyridine. Molecular formula of quinoline is a C9H7N. Molecular weight 129. Quinoline is obtained from the coal tar, bone oil and quinoline alkaloid. The traditional way the quinoline is obtained from the cinchona bark. In cinchona bark it contains 20 different types of alkaloids, in which the 4 alkaloids such as quinine, quinidine, cinchonine and cinchodine. These are the alkaloids which are also effective in the treatment of malaria. Nowadays we are suffering from the coronavirus. In that coronavirus we are using a drug which is called as a chloroquine or hydroxychloroquine. In that particular drug also quinoline is present as a basic ring. Quinoline undergoes an sp2 hybridization. It is obeys the Huckel's rule, that's why it is an aromatic compound, and it is a planar in nature. Now we will see the various synthetic method of an quinoline. In that, first and important method for synthesis of quinoline is a scrap synthesis. When a mixture of aniline is reacted with an glycerol in the presence of sulfuric acid as a mild oxidizing agent and in the presence of nitrobenzene, it produces correspondingly quinoline. In the aniline, when reacted with an glycerol, there is a formation of quinoline takes place. That's a reaction of an scarf synthesis. Second one is Friedlander synthesis. In Friedlander synthesis, orthoaminobenzaldehyde is reacted with an acetaldehyde in the presence of alkali. There is a loss of 2 water molecules that takes place and compound is converted to the correspondingly quinoline. The third method for synthesis of quinoline is a Dobenar-Miller synthesis. It is also one of the important method for synthesis of an quinoline. When 2 moles of acetaldehyde is reacted with an aniline in the presence of sulfuric acid, there is a result formation of an 2-methylquinoline takes place. The fourth method for synthesis of an quinoline is an Konrad-Lymph synthesis method. In Konrad-Lymph method, the aniline is reacted with correspondingly ethyl acetoacetate at a particular temperature. The ring closure reaction takes place, and as a result, formation of 4-hydroxy 2-methylquinoline takes place. Likewise, fifth method for synthesis of quinoline is a Knorr method for Knorr-quinoline synthesis method. In that, particularly condensation of aromatic amines such as an aniline with an beta-ketoester at 110 degrees Celsius. Again, ring closing reaction takes place, and as a result, formation of a compound called as an 2-hydroxy 4-methylquinoline takes place. The sixth method for synthesis of quinoline is from indole. That reaction is also called as a ring expansion reaction. When indole is reacted with an dichloromethane in the presence of methyllithium as a catalyst, result a formation of a quinoline takes place. Seventh method is Friesinger reaction method. When astatine is reacted with an ketone or aldehyde, example acetaldehyde, in the presence of potassium hydroxide, result formation of quinoline 4-carboxylic acid takes place. These are the reaction of these are the various synthetic reaction of a quinoline. Now we'll see the various physical property of an quinoline. Quinoline is a colorless liquid which are basic in nature. The boiling point of quinoline is at 237 degrees Celsius. On exposure to air, it turns to the yellowish color solution. It is having a pyridine-like odor. It is miscibilized in water as well as miscibilized in various organic solvent. Now we'll see the various chemical reaction of a quinoline. When quinoline is a weakly basic in nature, when it reacted with an acid such as an hydrochloric acid, there is a formation of a salt which are springly soluble in water. Next, that is an oxidation reaction of an quinoline. When quinoline is oxidized in the presence of potassium permanganate, there is a result of formation of an 2,3 pyridine 2,3 dicarboxylic acid takes place. Likewise, when pyridine is oxidized in the presence of acetic acid, there is a formation of quinoline N oxide component takes place. Now we'll see the various reduction reaction of an quinoline. When quinoline is reduced in the presence of tin NaCl, there is a result of formation of 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydroquinoline takes place. Likewise, when quinoline is reduced in the presence of platinum, there is a formation of decahydroquinoline takes place. Likewise, when quinoline is also reduced in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, there is a result of formation of 1, 2 dihydroquinoline takes place. That's all about the oxidation and reduction reaction of an quinoline. Now we'll see the various electrophilic substitution reaction of an quinoline. When quinoline is reacted with a nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid as a catalyst, there is a formation of 5-nitroquinoline and 8-nitroquinoline mixture. That reaction is called as a nitration reaction of an quinoline. Likewise, when quinoline is reacted with an sulfuric acid at the temperature of 220 degrees Celsius, it results formation of 5-quinoline sulfonic acid and 8-quinoline sulfonic acid mixture. That reaction is also called as a sulfonation reaction of an quinoline. When quinoline reacted with an bromine molecule, it produces a 3-bromoquinoline takes place. That reaction is also called as an halogenation reaction of an quinoline. Now we'll see the various nucleophilic substitution reaction of an quinoline. When quinoline is reacted with an soda amide in the presence of ammonia, there is a result of formation of 2-aminoquinoline takes place. Likewise, when quinoline is reacted with an potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, there is a result of formation of 2-hydroxyquinoline takes place. When quinoline is reacted with an N-butyl lithium, there is a result of formation of 2-butylquinoline takes place. That is all about the nucleophilic substitution reaction of an quinoline. Now here, the all nucleophilic substitution in quinoline is occur at the second position, and here the nucleophilic substitution reaction in quinoline are very important. Now we'll see the various medicinal uses of an quinoline. Quinoline are present as an various drug as a basic ring, such as an antimalarial agent, such as as we previously discussed, the chloroquine, hydroxychloroquine, primaquine, parmaquine. All these drug contains quinoline as a basic ring. And It is also used as an anti-malarial agent such as an quinacrine. It is also present as an basic ring in various antibacterial agents such as ciprofloxacin, norfloxacin, sparfloxacin, gatifloxacin. These are the various uses of quinoline. Thank you.